Hello friends, welcome to PvaPins.com. PvaPins is a platform where you can verify any account by phone number. Let's start it. First you have to visit PvaPins.com. Now click on Login or Sign Up button. You will see a dashboard like this. Now click on Register New Account button. Now fill up this required field and tap the Register button. After creating an account you can see your dashboard like this. For recharge, click on the top up option and click on Recharge your account. Now choose your preferable payment method and recharge your account. After recharge you can see your remaining balance here. In this video today, I will show you to create and verify a Tinder account using a virtual phone number. Let's check it out. Look at the phone screen first. In this field, you have to enter a valid phone number. Now search your preferable country in PvaPins. Search here for Tinder. Select any option from here. You will get a number here. Enter this number in this mobile verification field. Now click on the refresh button and wait a little bit. You will get a verification code here. Enter this code into the number verification field. If it wants your mail verification, just enter your mail here and verify it. You are almost done. Just done this step successfully. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video.